Welcome to Elif's Kitchen. Today, I want to share a recipe with you, featuring a wonderful appearance and practical preparation. It's a milky dessert recipe. If you're not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to turn on notifications so you can be informed about my new recipes. Let's pour 1 liter of milk into a pot. Add 1 glass of starch on top. It doesn't matter if it's corn or wheat starch. Add 1 glass of granulated sugar and mix well. Then, place it on the stove and stir continuously until it boils. Once it starts boiling, reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes, stirring constantly. Then, add 1 packet of vanilla and remove it from the heat, stirring well. Rinse a small round borkum, glass baking dish, with water and drain the excess water. Then, pour our dessert into the borkum. Smooth the top evenly. When it reaches room temperature, transfer it to the refrigerator and let it chill for at least 3 to 4 hours. Then, invert it onto a flat plate. As you can see in the video, the moment we gently touch its side, it was easily flipped. Then, cut it into triangular pieces. I divided it into 8 pieces. Place about 50 grams of shredded coconut into a flat plate. Take the triangular pieces we cut. Coat all sides with shredded coconut. Then transfer them back to a serving plate. After coating all pieces with shredded coconut, I decorated the top with colorful sprinkles. If you wish, you can decorate it with grated chocolate or with different candies. As you can see, it turned out to be a wonderful looking and very light, fantastic milky dessert. I'm sure you will love it when you try it too. Bon appetit to those who will try it. I look forward to your likes and comments. Thank you for watching my video.